This is SvanNET 101, and today we're going to be looking at automatic reporting. Reporting can be one of the most time-consuming parts of a project. This is how SvanNET can save you time doing it. If we head over to the reporting tab on SvanNET and click on the automatic reports tab shown in the top right-hand corner, let's add a new one as we don't have any in here at the moment. And this is how you can build the specifics of your automatic report. As an example, let's put in monthly report for site A. And below this, we're going to change the period to a month to suit, but this can be whatever it may be that you need the reportings to be sent out at. We can even change the relative period so that the reports can be sent at a certain time, add the reporting template that you've previously created, and then pop in the recipients that need to be receiving these reports. From here, we can change the format to either PDF or Word document. And then below will be a timer to show you basically how long until the reports are sent and should they wait until the full data has entered the project. Once we click save, the report is now shown on here, and that's your automatic report done. Once you've set up your automatic report, this is the template that you can expect your client to receive, which will be personalized to your company with geolocalized points of each measurement point, chart data showing some exceedances, maybe some events. We've got frequency data and also heat maps, and this will fly directly to your client as soon as you need it to.